Well, hope you guys can hear me, but welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be ocean fishing in the Adriatic Sea. As you can see right here, I'm currently getting my rod ready to cast. Already caught one, and of course I wasn't filming because I didn't really expect me to catch one so quick. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to catch another one and make a good video for you guys. I'm getting bit. Oh, I thought I had one. Yeah, I think I got one. Oh, I got one. Woohoo! Yotza! Hope this fish tastes good because I've already caught two of them. Well, there you go. There's a fish on the squid and he is mad. Don't know this species. Pretty cool catch. Alrighty, got ourselves another one. I'm getting good. Yep, I got one. Another one. Put on my GoPro for 2 seconds. Shut off my GoPro for 2 seconds and I catch him. Other fish. Grab this one. I don't know. I still don't know what species this is. It's a pretty cool looking fish though. Yeah, he is mad. No. catching it. It's my favorite rod, man. And it just came out. Oh my god.